0 point. So where I'm standing is the south side. Then if I move around, I believe now I'm at the line. So if I step to my right, I'll go to the north. So this is the north. This is the equator. We'll get to hear from the locals what they have to say.
My name is Eddie. I sell souvenirs at the Equator Coriolis Mogotio. I want to show you the experiment about the equator. Here with me is a ball with a chart. At here I'm standing in the 0 point, which is the equator point. In my right hand side is the northern hemisphere. The left hand side is the southern hemisphere. So we can move some few meters to the north, and then we see the reaction of water. Okay, at the northern hemisphere, when I pour water to this pot, the light stick will cause clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. Or when you flush toilet in the northern hemisphere, the water will cause clockwise direction. You can see the experiment. This is the northern hemisphere. I put the light stick. You can see the reaction of water cause clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. The water goes straight.
Thank you.
We'll go to the southern hemisphere.
So as you can see, this is the north. We are crossing to the south.
I put water in the southern hemisphere. It causes anti-clockwise movement. Fast.
And what causes this?
This is because of the reaction of the pool.
The pool.
Yes.
So does it only happen at this point, or if I go the south of Kenya, I'll still experience the same thing?
Yes, the anti-clockwise movement in the southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere. From here to South Africa,
Yes,
it's the same reaction.
the same reaction.
And if you on the other side, if you stand here up to Cairo,
Yes.
it's the same reaction.
Same reaction.
Okay, thank you so much.